Hi, my name is Ritanfo. Today I'm here to give you tips on how to make yourself employable in 2 steps. The first step you are going to look at is your CV writing or CV preparation. What needs to go on there? First, you need to have your name, your contact details, which should contain your email address and your telephone number. Then the next step is to include your personal profile. Your personal profile section is a summary of your total work experience that you've acquired over the years and where you are looking to go in terms of the job search. Then you would come down to your work history. In terms of your work history, you need to include the dates of employment, the company name, and the nature of the business. Your education, you are allowed to leave out your primary education, but most importantly, you need to include your university or tertiary education and any other professional course or qualifications that you've acquired. Now you are almost there. Your CV landed you an interview and now it's time to seal the deal. What do? You need to research into the company extensively. You need to know their vision, their mission, their culture, and also do your background checks or read about your interviewer or your interviewers. And if you're not sure about where the company is located, it's advisable to visit the place prior to the interview. Remember, you select the right outfit. It means you need to dress appropriately for the interview. Make sure you arrive early. Take a spare copy of your CV and take note of who to ask for when you get to the venue. After the interview, it's always advisable to follow up with a thank you email or a phone call for the opportunity given. And that is it. I hope these tips will help you to keep and excel in the next stage of your career.